Come mango season, and who would not love to include mangoes as much as we can? A delicious, crisp and tangy preparation. Today's recipe is Mango Vadai, made with the addition of both ground and chopped mangoes. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. For the preparation, take half a cup of boiled rice. I have taken idli rice. Wash in water once or twice, drain and soak in lukewarm water for 3 hours. Take half a cup of whole white urad dal. Wash 2 to 3 times. Soak in water for 2 hours and keep in the refrigerator for 1 hour. This will help neutralize the heat generated at the time of grinding and will help maintain the consistency. Take half a cup of beaten rice, poha or aval. This poha is of medium thickness. Wash in water 2 to 3 times. Drain the water completely and set aside. Do not add water. Poha adds a light touch to the dish. The ingredients required for the preparation are soaked rice, soaked urad dal, cleaned and washed poha, all in equal parts, whatever the quantity that you might want to use. We will also need raw mango. I will be using a part of the mango. If it is a small one, a whole mango can be used. The other ingredients are 6 green chillies or according to taste, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut cut into bite-sized pieces, a handful of coriander leaves, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, salt as per taste. To start with the preparation, cut the mango in half, slice and cut it into small pieces. This will be used for grinding. Cut one more portion of the mango into fine pieces. These pieces will be added to the vadai batter as such. Take the green chillies. Chop 3 green chillies fine to be added to the batter. The other 3 chillies will be ground with the batter. Take the washed coriander leaves and chop them fine. Keep aside. Take a mixer jar, add the soaked parboiled rice, the whole green chillies, the cut mango pieces, and asafoetida. Do not add water. As mango also has water content, we can check and add water later if required. Grind for a few minutes. Open the mixer jar. The rice has been ground to a rava-like consistency. Now add the soaked urad dal. Grind for a few more minutes. Open in between. Mix and check the consistency. Add water if required. I am adding around 4 teaspoons of water. Grind for a few more minutes. The batter is almost of fine consistency now. At this point, add the washed poha, beaten rice. When you add poha without soaking, if there is excess water in the batter, it will absorb it. Grind for a few more minutes. Now the batter is ready. Transfer the batter to a bowl. To the batter, add the chopped mango pieces, chopped green chillies, the bite-sized coconut pieces, chopped coriander leaves, and salt as per taste. Mix everything well. To make the vadai, take a small piece of banana leaf, wet the leaf, wet your hands. Take the vada batter, place it on the leaf and pat it. Make a hole in the center, remove from the leaf and deep fry. Or alternately, you can do the same procedure using the palm of your hands. Heat a kadai, use any cold pressed oil which will be stable at high temperatures. Wait for the oil to become hot. Add the vadais to the oil one by one. If the oil has not been properly heated, the vadai will absorb more oil, and if it becomes overly hot, the vadai will become brown on the outside but not get properly cooked on the inside. Making a hole in the center ensures that the vadai is evenly cooked both inside and outside, and it also turns crisp. Once the vadai is done and has become golden brown, strain the oil and remove. Transfer to a colander lined with tissue paper to remove the excess oil. Transfer to a plate and serve with any chutney of your choice. Garnish with a raw mango piece. It can also be had as such, with the tangy flavor of raw mango, the crunch of the coconut pieces, spice of the chillies, and the herbal notes of coriander. This crispy mango vadai makes for a delicious snack. Enjoy hot. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.